up with Shelly. Shelly, move your common mouth, deep throat, nasty, old, filthy crutches, blood clot. And go for your son. Yes, John stretch out your hole. And the only reason why you name the record company John, and because you think you little boy, where you have named John, and if you John, I hit your husband beat out your blood clot boat.
Wagwan dancehall gang, you know, see Spice new song 2085T. Yo, it rake up a antness with that dancehall. Pretidon, dig up Shelly file, Spice and RT, Blinga get involved, Danger, all our sister, one baga. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, share and like the video.
Spice, you know, if you did really, let me tell you something why you're not a good person. Because Shelly did love you. Shelly look after you before, Shelly look out for you before your boss, before anybody know you. Spice, what did you do to Shelly? What did you try to do to Shaggy? What did you try to do to Scatter? What did you do to Shelly, the person who was trying to help you before your boss? Before you have besties? Before you have besties? No, before you have besties, Shelly there at your party. Shelly over there, Shelly I tried to do everything. I have pictures, Shelly I invited to carnival. We are call up my name with John. The most my name can call with John is that I started a company named John Music. And that is because my son name is John.
After Shelly come out, then Pretidon and RT say for them moon. So watch the live.
Long time we want to Spice go suck her mama. You're dead.
Yeah, no, let me talk about it.
We don't want to see over your bitch, you're not getting the hype. Go suck your mother.
RT,
Gracie.
no, wait, RT, Jesus Christ, Bossy, please.
Go suck your mother, Grace Almington. Me don't want you over here. Go suck your mother.
RT, please, me I beg you. Please, me I beg you. RT, please, me I beg you.
Pet beating on her blood clot. Grace is pet beating. Go suck your mother, bitch.
Shelly Ann Curan.
Fresh drop.
Shelly, from you come out with the tea time and not pay people if you can't tell lie. What you do for you? Because when you start tea time first, you know, you're not even look so whole and depressed and stretch out. You're not even look like the blue fish where you look like right now. So till people business stress you out so much, turn you into the big old blood clot octopus when you see on the internet the other day. You come out and answer Grace. Yes, mama, you fuck John for you. And a prejudice, ladies are the prejudice because she thinks you spend digital money over licky dirty ladies are licky. She not gonna admit say you used to fuck John for you. And she couldn't have a problem with it because you're one of them who did give her a little money.
Fresh drop.
Ladies are did reach one point. Whenever they make no food like that. But you know how the artists them say them always make money. Yes, dirty orange Shelly. Remember see you fuck out the whole of blood clot dance hall. From halfway tree to Cancer Spring. You fuck out the whole blood clot trees. Round a blood clot car wash no about you. The whole of the place them of the artists them there. Every artist at Jamaica we have name fucking in your whole already. You Shelly and you make so good. Start to be a thing at Jamaica. Remember you know, and you suck a cartel hood in my Benz. And cartel start to sing they so good song. They so good song. And I you Shelly, so good Shelly. Everybody know about blood clot your mouth. You are bust the youths. Every artist will come about it cut. You bust them with a fuck. You
Fresh drop.
Fuck you for cartel and send him a prison. Remember when the cartel and fuck you have had braces per mouth. Instantly cartel gone to jail. Pussy salt. Elsha beach. Right now if they wash off cartel in come on. That the dirty salt told them where your blood clot have put cartel in prison. And you bitter from that day and dirty blood clot girl. You spend out the whole of your husband money for cartel teeth them. For cartel pens, for cartel clocks them. And what happen? Your husband blood clot divorce you. And beat up your pussy hole. And a yarn him try to help sing cartel who do not fake digital records. One go suck out your mother Shelly. You have a blood clot against Spice because Spice. One of the things that Spice did a fuck cartel. Cocky feelings ya carry. Suck with water mouth, dirty girl. Mouth kinda frat like pack soap to pussy wood. Dirty suck with Shelly. Nobody no need for blood clot come give no tea. For fear
Fresh
blood
drop.
clot tea time. You yourself is a keckle. Dirty bumbo clot girl. Your life itself is a tea. Dirty, nasty Shelly. Cheap on her husband, Shelly. Every artist fuck Shelly but her husband. Nasty Shelly. So good Shelly. Everybody with blood clot one then cock sucking her business. Link up with Shelly. Shelly, move your common mouth, deep throat, nasty, old, filthy crutches, blood clot. And go for yourself. Yes, Jan stretch out your hole. And the only reason why you name the record company Jan is because you think you little boy where you have named Jan. I did for Jan. I hit your husband beat out your blood clot boat. Because a Jan picked me that in the blood clot horse. That's why you name him Jan. Dirty stinking girl. That's John Jr. You dirty blood clot girl, you. And you are the filth bitch. Oh my jacket you give your blood clot husband, dirty Shelly. When your husband a blood clot left you, the man have to go to clinic, go see if all of them you are feel with your common blood clot hole.
Fresh drop.
Everywhere we go, we see a blood clot pussy. Everybody in the dance hall get a fuck out of that the thing hole there. Everybody know what it feel like. We jump up and down in that the blood clot nasty hole there where you have. That the boss the youths hole there where you have. Shut your mouth! And when you hear you bring down your blood clot, you take bring down with your common hole. Nothing like a blood clot. You mean trying to seem like a good bitch. Move your nasty hole blood clot from here, so nasty Shelly. Your pussy big gun and think no bumbo clot. Nasty hole girl. Where? You fuck Jan and breathe for Jan. I'm going to pick me in your house for Jan. Why you not going to tell blood clot ladies that? Obsessed with Jan. Have you make a label with Jan name? Where? You make girl. Mad out over your friend, man. Move dirty Shelly. Pussy big gun and wide. Bitch.